This is a pretty disgusting video. I just want to warn you first thing. So based on the title of the video, I had a mouse get stuck in my blower motor for my central AC last night. It's pretty, hold on, I'll show you. Oh, all right, so as you can see, everything, all the hair and just nastiness. I don't even want to touch it. I'm gonna touch that thing over here. You can see all the shit up in there. Sorry, you see all the stuff up in there? It's so freaking nasty. Oh my god, it's so nasty. Oh my god. So I gotta clean that out. Ugh, it's so bad. All right, hold on, guys. All right, so I got some QD contact cleaner for the motor part of it. As you can see, it's gotten a good bit of stuff on it as well. I'm using a little bit of brake cleaner, try to break up some of the stuff, and I'm using a scraper. Try to get up in there and scrape it away. Man, I'm gonna attempt to remove the motor and clean it separately so that I can spray water on the other part, or maybe even, I don't know. But this is nasty. So nasty. Freaking mouse. This is nasty. Probably gonna burn these clothes when I'm done. Let me get away from that. Oh my god. Air tool. Fuck. Oh god, no, it's going everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have to burn these clothes, but check it out. So far I've cleaned up the fins out here, but I still have, like, but he was over here, so I gotta get up in there and clean that out too. Oh my god, people, this is nasty. God, it's so nasty. But yeah, I've even gone ahead and scraped out the insides of here where all the hair and shit and everything was. You can still see some down there. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, you see, you still see some right there. You can see all the stuff that it was him. Ugh, oh my god. There's some more. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. It may not have been last night, but it's the first time it became off balance and I noticed it. And I never heard any noise or anything like that, like any noise from it, but this is nasty. One of the pluses to this whole mask thing is I always got a mask on me. I think I'm gonna turn this thing sideways though this time. Oh my god, look at all that. Look at all that I cut. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to flip it over the other way. It's gotta come out the other way. This is fucking disgusting. Oh my god, this is fucking disgusting. Oh man. Oh my god. I'm gonna burn all of my clothes. Every last one of them. Oh my god, this is so nasty. Oh my god, it's so fucking nasty. Oh god, it's so nasty. That was a bad idea. Oh, that was nasty. That was, woo! Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to shower enough to get all of this shit off of me. All right, I'm gonna finish blowing this thing out and cleaning it up, installing it back in that fucking spot again. Oh, if you can't tell, this is probably one of the nastiest things I've ever done. This is nasty. Okay, so you've noticed how rusty it was. Well, I've gone through with my handy dandy heavy duty scraper wire brush, and I've hit the entire thing with it, and I'm gonna take a can of this here rust stop, and I don't expect it to do anything fantastic. I just want to stop the rust as best as I can, and just, yeah, I'm just gonna spray the outside, make it look better, let it dry before I put it back in, because it is pretty dang rusty. So I've gotten as much as I can out, as you can see, and she should run a lot better, not all lopsided and everything. I went ahead and cleaned out the motor, well, blew it out and sprayed that cutie contact cleaner in there, trying to clean up what I could in there. So hopefully that's good, and yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and just give her a general coat, and that's gonna be it. All right, so I have it painted, as you can see. She looks better. I wasn't going for no like hot rod paint job or anything like that. I didn't really give two shits, honestly. I just wanted it to not be rusty, and it's not rusty anymore. It's clean, not rusty. Well, clean is a subjective term there. It's better than it was, I'll say. But I've used everything in both of those cans, and I even went ahead and I think I got some simple green and I sprayed it up in there. Just I wanted to clean as much. I even like doused it in I had a can of Lysol that I sprayed all up in there, trying to just, once I got it you know, cleaned out, I just wanted to get any of the germs out of there as much as I could. And so yeah, it's gonna be it. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry it was such a nasty video, but you know, hey, it's a shitty house. So you know, if you want to help me out, you can hit that subscribe button, but you know, you ain't got to. You do what you gotta do. So later.